There's a lot going on in our world at the moment, and we carry around lots of questions, which might make us worry. What's going to happen when I go back to school? What will it be like with the new teacher? Will I make friends with anyone at my new school? Will I be okay going into the next grade or year? The trick is to put a bit of space between ourselves and our worries, so we can get on with enjoying our lives. One clever thing I love to do is make a magic worry box. You just need an empty tissue box. Decorate your box if you like, wrapping it in some nice paper, adding some stickers or sequins. You could even make it look like a monster by adding googly eyes, some funny teeth and some pom-poms. Then it's like the monster eats your worries when you put them in. It just needs to have a hole in it somewhere where you can put your worries inside. By making a magic worry box, you give your brain a break from holding on to all the worries. You've let them out of your head and you've put them away, leaving you with more space to do fun things, to play and learn stuff, so the worries don't get in the way or hold you back. I hope that's helped and you enjoy using your worry box to give your worries somewhere else to live other than your mind. And then whenever a new worry comes up, you can just write it down, pop it in the box, and get back to enjoying your life. Keep up the practice to become a true Zen Den ninja. Bye-bye! Hello, it's Jamie here from Cosmic Kids. I'm here to talk about our app, the safest place to view our videos. This is basically our very own walled garden. It gives you unlimited streaming of all our videos, and we make sure there are no ads, no funny links, and no suggested videos. To sign up, head to app.cosmickids.com. Pick a monthly or an annual subscription, and then you get a 2-week free trial to see if you like it. Every single video we've ever made is on there, and all our new and future videos too. We organise all our videos into helpful playlists, making it super easy to find your way around. You can watch it on your computer or phone using your web browser, or by downloading any of the apps which are included in your subscription. And we have these apps for iPhone, iPad, Android, Apple TV, Roku and Amazon Fire TV. You can view the videos offline on phones and tablets. Just click to download the video to your Watch Later playlist and watch it whenever you want. This is perfect if you want the peace of mind that your kids aren't connected to the internet. You can also autoplay your favourite videos back to back. Just set the kids up with a marathon Cosmic Kids session and you can leave them to it. I hope that you love what we're doing with Cosmic Kids, and this has helped you understand a little more about the Cosmic Kids app. It is the safest place to view our content and the best way to support us too. Wishing you all the best from the team here at Cosmic Kids. Bye bye!